The habit that makes you sound insecure isn't what you think. It's adding one extra sentence after you've already made your point. You say something clear, and then you soften it. But I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. It's just my opinion. Most people lose authority not because their idea is weak, but because they dilute it. Psychology shows that when you over-explain or over-apologize, you signal doubt, even if you don't feel it, and people respond to that signal. Confident communicators don't rush to defend every word. They state their point, then they pause. No shrinking, no backtracking, no nervous laughter. If you want to sound secure, remove the unnecessary disclaimer. Say what you mean, let it stand, and allow silence to work in your favor.